mega Rafale deal that is on the cards soon, as according to sources, the government is all set to clear the deal for 114 Rafales. 18 Rafale jets in flyaway condition. The rest of the Rafale jets that are to be made in India. Rajnath Singh led panel to seal the Rafale deal very soon. The Defence Acquisition Council that is likely to meet on the 12th of February. Sources tell India Today that within the next 2 days, the deal is almost to be sealed. DAC, chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, expected to grant acceptance of necessity, that is AON, for 114 Rafale fighter jets. Let me take this to Shivani Sharma for the very latest on the same. Over to you, Shivani.
Swesha, we need to understand that the Indian Air Force needs fighter jets and 114 Rafale deal is on the card. But the initial process will take some time. The Defence Procurement Board has already given its approval last month for this Rafale acquisition. Now on 12th of this month, the DAC is going to meet and it will be chaired by the Defence Minister, of course. And then the acceptance of necessity will be cleared, after which there are multiple other levels, and then the discussions on this deal will start. So the initial process is now moving quite fast because of Emmanuel Macron also be in India for the summit in the month of February. So this is very important, and the initial phases will get a kick after the DAC gets the AON approved for the 114 Rafales for the Indian Air Force. Swesha.
Shivani, I want to thank you for getting us those details. Of course, we'll keep coming back to you for all the updates.